your one and only intercessor of Zimbabwe, Manjeds, the Anunnaki, the royal descendant, the bloodline. I have a special announcement for all residents of Vagari Vemu Harare. I have asked everyone to evacuate because things are about to happen. I ask every general member of the public to go to safer areas and safer grounds. Evacuate the city of Harare with immediate effect. This is not a drill. This is a warning. Evacuate the city of Harare if you want to live. For your own sake, for your own lives, evacuate the city of Harare with immediate effect. Zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka, hapana reverse. Musazochema mangwana. Kune vaya vasingakwanisi kubuda muHarare vasina chekufambisa, garai mudzimba, garai mudzimba, garai mudzimba. Usabatwa uri kwauri nekuti hauzokwanisi kudzokera kumba. With immediate effect, if you are able to evacuate, please leave now. Leave the city of Harare now. Today, the 19th of June 2026, leave the city of Harare with immediate effect. Leave now. Manjeds, the Anunnaki, the royal descendant, the bloodline. Inini message ndasvitsa kuruzhinji veZimbabwe sekukumbirwa kwatinoitwa.